meron bang danger or meron bang risk pagdating dun sa flexibility na pinag-uusapan natin? Comparing it with a program that is with the BIR and one that is a standalone within the company.
Not really, Miss Janet, kasi talagang ang obligation mo as the employer is to pay out the retirement benefit. So actually, let me introduce another law. No? So kanina we have been talking about RA 7641, which says that it's mandatory to pay retirement benefits. But if you'd like to read further about this topic, I'd like to introduce RA 4917.
Okay.
So ang gist ng RA 4917 is it says that it's not mandatory to set up a retirement plan, but it has its own benefits if you register it with the BIR. So having these two laws as our kind of our guide, the risk of not registering it with the BIR, hindi na, but actually I wouldn't say that there's a risk. Ang pinaka-risk talagang isipin mo is kung mababayaran mo yung employee mo come retirement date. But as to setting it up with the BIR or not, in our experience, marami ang hindi nagre-register sa BIR and they don't encounter any risk naman or violation when it comes to the law kasi it's not a violation naman talaga. So talagang mababiolate mo lang kapag hindi ka nagbayad dun sa employee mo ng retirement pay niya. So the risk when it comes to the setup, I would say it's really it's not present.
Okay, that's good to note. No, that's good to note.